Assalamualaikum guys, you are watching our channel Ask to Learn. Today I'm going to teach you how to download and install Internet Download Manager in Windows 10. Then you can download any video clip or other files like games or softwares easily. I have also used IDM before, but nowadays I'm using another downloading manager which I think is better than IDM. Soon I'll make another video tutorial for that. So let's start today's tutorial. This is the file. I have provided the link for this file in just below the video. You can download it easily. And after downloading, you just need to extract it. Just I've clicked extract here. It will not take too much time. It's the file. Double click on it. I don't know why it's taking a bit longer. Oh, it's open. Now here is the patch. These are the crack for IDM. An operating system supporting 32-bit and for operating system supporting 64-bit. It is the setup. Just double click on it. Yes. Now it is the setup. Just click next, next, next. And we have done. And it's there's a pop-up and written that the Firefox has been integrated with the IDM. Okay, that's good. Now you can see IDM will be open in the background, but you have to exit this because we have to patch it before. And I'm using a 64-bit operating system, that's why I will double click on that 64-bit patch. Click yes. I just need to install it. Finish. And I have done. Now I can run IDM. There will be no problem. Registration, and it's registered because there is no option for registration here. Okay, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more.